YouTube, it's been a minute since I posted a video. Been doing a lot of shorts, but it's been a minute since I posted a full video. Just wanted to show y'all what I was working on with this Rivera and this interior. If you've been following my page, you know I've been doing the rear seat delete, but I decided to go ahead and tackle some door panels too. I was gonna leave the stock door panels, but I was like, you know what? The rear seat delete is custom, so I need everything just to flow. And those original door panels, they were not hitting. So I'm gonna show you what I've been working on. Hold on. So that's what I did, man. I'm working on. Drew it out on a piece of paper and applied that thought to this wood. Got the passenger side done too. Knocked it out. So this is some kind of, I usually use MDF board, but I had this piece laying around, so I just used it for this side, but the other side is MDF. This is a 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and this is 1/2 inch as well. This is the 1/4 inch. The backing is tempered hardwood. That's what I used. And this piece here, that's the same as the backing. So as you see, I took the buttons off for the windows. My idea initially was to take those buttons and put them, and pull the wires out the door on both sides and put them right here. That way I can control the windows right here. Or I might, instead of trying to, you know, fish those wires out the door, I might put the buttons here, up and down for this side, and do the same over there on that side. Y'all get in the comments and let me know what y'all think I should do. Should I put them in the door? Or should I put them in the center console? But right now I'm thinking leave them over here. That way I ain't gotta fish them through that rubber piece right there. But we'll see. In the back, so y'all seen this already. But I might, this little swoop I got right here, you know, I might do something here. They kind of, just another piece of MDF and glue it here. Just has a swoop that kind of maybe comes down here or something. I don't know. We'll see, like a 1/2 inch, not 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch piece of MDF. And this side here, so I'm gonna delete these panels because I want to, I mean not the panels, I'm gonna delete the ashtray because I want this to be clean back here because there's not gonna be any passengers back here, so there's no need to have ashtrays back here. So I'm gonna pull these out and I'm gonna fiberglass over this area and then just have my interior guy wrap it all, be nice and clean and flat. Then I gotta pull these out and apply the same effect as the door. You know, I'll probably just do something like this up here on this top part. Now the thing is though, I'm gonna have to do it in a way where I can detach it. So I'm probably gonna have to use some magnets on here. And when I build that piece, build it where I can just snap it on here. Because if I make it onto this piece and put, because this had to go on first before the rear seat delete. So if I make it onto this piece, and permanently, I won't be able to slide the rear seat delete in because it'll get in the way. So I'm gonna just make a piece, you know, right here, and then, like I said, put magnets in the back of it. That way it'll snap right on. I'm gonna take it back off when I need to pull the, if and when I need to pull the, well, I'll need to pull the rear seat delete out at some point because I gotta do my music and all that good stuff, putting mesh back there. Actually, I gotta pull it out for the guy to wrap it. So yeah, that's the plan for that. I still gotta do my trunk. Yeah, I'll get to that eventually. But that's where I'm at right now with it, y'all. Like I said, said, get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think I should do with the window controls. As I stated before, the color is changing. Too many orange and black cars out here. About to do a scheme on here that's a little different. I ain't gonna say what it is right now. I'm just gonna let y'all see it when it's done, or let y'all see it while I'm in the process. But new top coming, a new color. The interior, of course, has to get wrapped and carpet and make it look pretty. Yeah, but I got to do some. One of my rear windows is off track. That's why I never roll them down. The one works perfect. The other one always falls off the track. Fixed it once, but it keeps fucking up. So, or my bad. It keeps messing up. So yeah, the wheels, keeping the same wheels. They may get powder coated though. Might change the whole look, powder coat them or wrap the faces or something. I ain't really decided yet. We'll be doing big brakes. I'll probably do the Corvette brakes, 6 piston fronts, 4 piston in the back. I know I don't need all that stopping power for this little stock LS with a cam, but I need them big brakes back there. They look good. But the front suspension got to be done. Of course, the back is already done. Front needs to be done. When I get it painted, I'm pulling the motor out. Painting the engine bay. Yeah, all that good stuff. I need this thing to be A1. I've been playing too many years, just doing little knickknacks here and there. Kind of, you know, building things as I go, and you know, change my mind here and there, and kind of going back to square one on some things. But I'm about to take this thing to the next level and get it right. Yeah, because next year I plan on, not next year, probably in 2 years. It's probably gonna take me about 2 years, maybe a year and a half to get it done. I got other priorities to take care of before this car, but my plan is to have it all the way done the way I want it, at least probably 2 years from now, year and a half, but it could be done sooner. We'll see what happens. But I'm going to be trailering it out of town, hit some shows out of town, of course, Atlanta, Chicago. I took it to Midwest Fest last year. Got a trophy for under construction class. But yeah, I'm gonna travel with it, man, because here in Columbus, our car scene is pretty trash. So yeah, just wanted to show y'all that, man. I'm about to sign off and catch y'all later. Peace.